Moodle has a couple of ways to add extra credit to the gradebook depending on how you want to award those points. For the first method, start by navigating to Gradebook Setup, then to the item you wish to make extra credit. Select the 3 dots to the right, then Edit Grade Item. Select the Extra Credit checkbox and hit Save Changes. You will see a plus icon appears next to the grade item indicating it is now extra credit. The second method works well if you have multiple extra credit items. Either use a category you already have or make an extra credit category in the gradebook by clicking the Add drop-down menu and selecting Add a Category. With this category, you will go to the settings by selecting the 3 dots to the right and clicking Edit Category. Select the Extra Credit checkbox, then save the change. Now you can put multiple items into that category by selecting their checkboxes and selecting Move. You will see that there's a plus icon next to the category total indicating all of these items are extra credit. It is important to note that you must not add an item marked as extra credit to an extra credit category. This will cause the gradebook to malfunction. If you have additional questions, please reach out to the Office of Online and Distance Learning.